Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another airdrop opportunity called Try Your Best. This is a platform where you do tasks for brands to earn coins, which you can exchange for rewards. As you can see, they've already raised 20.8 million in funding and are marked as a potential airdrop. If you look at their investors, you see Coinbase and some tier 3 or 4 investors backing them. If you visit their X profile, as you can see right now, they have only 4.7k followers, which means we are still very early to join here. And if you see their followers, you can see Avalanche follows them, which is good. Also, if you scroll down here, you will find lots of information about their project. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. Now to join this airdrop, click the link provided in the description, which will take you to Telegram. Once there, you'll find the airdrop link and you land on this page. So first you need to click here unlock. Then here you can use your email or phone number to create an account. So here I'll choose email, enter your email, then click this arrow. Now it asks to verify the email, so check your email, copy the code, and then paste the code here. Now choose your username, then agree to the terms and click submit. Now click on unlock. You'll get two options, one to download their application and the other to continue on the web. I'll continue on the web for now. So we're now on the home page. As we scroll, we see a challenges section with many active challenges. For example, if we click on the first challenge and view it, it asks us to review TYB on the App Store. After reviewing, you take a screenshot, upload it here, describe the upload or add a link and submit it. For this, you'll get 100 Try Your Best coins. Similarly, there are other tasks you can complete to earn more coins. Here they ask if you have downloaded the app. So let's select On My Way and continue. As you can see, I've got 500 Try Your Best points. Then click continue. And here you can write something and send. Here you will see your collectible achievements. In the completed section, you can see all the tasks you finished. There are also some inactive tasks you see, and new tasks will be added soon. Click on this wallet section, then click on coins. As you can see, I've got 500 points. Click here and you can add your profile picture and also add your bio and other details as well. Click on this chat section. This is basically exclusive for mobile users. The app is available for both Android and iOS users. Android users can download it from the Play Store and iOS users can download it from the App Store. My suggestion is to join this airdrop on your phone, as you'll get access to many additional features you can check out. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.